We're here with Jim Jobson, Vice President of Tao Ow, Patties. Tell us about Tao Ow's support for Team Jamaica Bickle.
Well, we have been a supporter of Team Jamaica Bickle for many years, probably about 15 or so, and we have had wonderful opportunities of meeting the athletes and working with Irwin and going down to the relays year after year and seeing the effect of young people being able to be given opportunities to further their education through the sports, and it's just been a real privilege to do so.
And what keeps Tao Ow what keeps Tao Ow donating and helping and assisting Team Jamaica Bickle in whatever way necessary?
Well, it's a great organization, and we know that the funds go to the people that need it most, and there's a lot of integrity in the organization, and so as we've had the opportunity to invest time and money with them, we see the returns, and we see that and that's really what it's about. You want to see return on your investment,
right.
From a financial standpoint, sure, the accountability, but also to see a younger generation have an opportunity that maybe they didn't before. So that's the intrinsic motivation,
right.
And so we love being involved in things like this.
So one of the topics that we talked about tonight was food, and how food is really important for our athletes, not only because of nutrients and having a meal a day, but can you tell us what kinds of foods, patties, that you assist our athletes with receiving?
We make pretty much just patties at Tao Ow, and when the Jamaicans come up here, whether it's the Team Jamaica Bickle, the track and field athletes or others, it's a comfort food. It's something that they recognize from home, and they love it. Those of us who aren't Jamaicans love it too, and so it's a good combination.
So just so people understand the magnitude of the work that you do and how expensive the foods are, or the benefit of the foods that you provide, about how many patties would you say, roughly, that you go throughout the pen relays period? If you want to narrow it down to just the athletes, then that's fine. About how many?
Yeah, there's several thousand. It's hard to quantify it.
But it's a lot.
It's a lot.
Yeah. So I take it you'll be continuing to donate and give to Team Jamaica Bickle and its athletes as long as you can.
As long as we can, as long as we have the ability to. We love to give back to the Jamaican community, and to particularly help our next generation excel in different areas.
Thank you. On behalf of everyone, thank you for the service and the food that you provide our athletes, keeping them full. And this is Jim Jobson, Vice President of Tao Ow, Patties.